Hello, hello. It's so great to be back. We're at the International Vision Expo, one of the first expos post the pandemic, but we're all still wearing masks. We are the team Diaton, the Diaton Tonometer. It's nowadays considered to be a safer way of measuring intraocular pressure, since the measurement is done through the upper eyelid without touching the cornea. I would like to demonstrate how this technology can enhance your practice. So I do have the device already out of the box. It's a handheld instrument. As you would see, it's handheld, only 81 grams, and I will show it on the our patient. Juan, please join us. Thank you, thank you. So I did want to point out, thank you for being part of the, it's going to be a quick intro/training session. It's very easy to do, and it's easy to be safe. So I did clean my hands with a sanitizer. You could wear gloves depending on what your practice does. So the device, you do use the swab to wipe off the tip of the device facing downwards. Okay. And this is just the cap. We took it off. With the patient, I will be on the left-hand side of the patient. I would ask the patient to squish over. This way there's some angle on the patient's back. Okay, there's some angle on the patient's back. Therefore, there's a less angle on the patient's neck. Come a little closer. What we would ask with the patient now, ask them to extend their thumb forward at about 45-degree angle. And if you could zoom in on the actual eye. So the way I would use the device, I have 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and the thumb here. I tilt back to get the floater inside, turn it on, use the edge of my palm for support on the patient's forehead, gently pull on the lid to make sure we see 1 millimeter of sclera visible, the white part of the eye. Position right over the tarsus, and 1. Display shows -1 as the first reading. 2, and 1 more time. 3. Device gives me a long beep. -3 is sequence of readings. You press the center button, you're getting average of the readings, okay? And we have average 15. Now for the second eye, you're still on the same side of the patient. I would normally just continue to the second eye. So you're still on the same side. You extend patient's thumb forward, yet again readjusting that head. We want to make sure, so like this is no good. You want to get the head as horizontal as possible, because the way the device works, it has that rebound principle, and we want for the floater to rebound. So this is the head positioning to rebound straight up. It's based on Newton's second law. So adjust that thumb. And here I used either the index or the middle finger to pull on the lid to clear the cornea. Here I would use the thumb. So turn the device on, get into a ready position, and this is my positioning with the lid. So we're not pressing on the eyeball, just as the eye naturally opens. Use the edge of your palm. Is yet again, you see that the sclera is visible. 1. And don't come in this way, you want to be vertical. The device gives you a beeping sound. And 2. So I'm just going to show you the error. Biggest error would be to slide and measure through the cornea. That's not something to do. You need to make sure this finger controls the eyelid. And 3. The device yet again gave you a -3 is the 3 readings. Press the center and we get the average of the readings. So as you've noticed, it's quick, painless, non-contact, non-invasive. Okay, the patients in most of the cases they would not even blink, because you do have control over the eyelid. Moreover, the fixation point is straightforward, so the patient is looking at their finger, they're not seeing anything coming to their eye. Okay, so the convenience factor is definitely there. The safety factor today, unfortunately, is something we have to be more concerned about. It's definitely there. We appreciate everyone staying safer. We appreciate everyone, keeping us safer. And we, as the team Diaton, we try to, be helpful part of the industry and to our practice. So, Juan, thank you so much for being part of this. And David, behind the camera, thank you for filming it. If you have any questions, please visit us at Diaton.com. We do offer complimentary Zoom training sessions. Once you guys get the device, please reach out to us. We'll work with your team to make sure everybody's comfortable and uses it properly and gets the most benefit of this technology. Thank you yet again. Hello from Vision Expo, and hopefully we'll see each other soon in person, and we'll be able to smile with our masks on. But I am smiling. Take care.